The journey begins with an ambitious vision: to build the largest passenger aircraft ever flown. No single factory could build the A380. Wings, fuselage sections, tail, and systems were... Before a full-size aircraft is built, engineers verify every curve through exhaustive aerodynamic testing.
Utilizing advanced composite materials, the robots meticulously assemble the wing structure, redefining aerospace manufacturing. The aircraft's enormous fuselage is manufactured in separate sections before beginning its journey to Toulouse.
Transporting the world's largest passenger aircraft requires an engineering operation almost as impressive as building it.
Years of engineering finally converge as the world's largest passenger aircraft begins taking shape.
Each engine delivers extraordinary thrust, allowing the giant aircraft to rise gracefully into the sky. The Airbus A380's digital nervous system links thousands of sensors, computers, and flight controls into one integrated network.
Heads up, coming through with the next panel.
Okay, just lowering this into place.
The cockpit combines advanced automation with human expertise to manage one of the world's most complex passenger aircraft.
Thousands of individual tests ensure every system performs exactly as designed.
Before taking to the skies, every engine is tested under carefully controlled conditions.
Power set, check 1, systems nominal.
Roger that, Alpha Heavy. Brake temperature stable.
With a smooth rotation, the Airbus A380 enters history on its maiden flight.
Confirmed maneuvering stability check at 15,000 feet. Parameters look good.
Commercial aircraft must demonstrate safe operation in some of the world's most demanding weather.
Every emergency procedure is tested long before the aircraft carries its first passengers.
Make sure the latch engages on both sides.
It's secure. The alignment looks perfect according to the blueprint.
Check the alignment on section 42. The sensor reading is slightly off nominal.
Rerunning the diagnostic now. The thermal signature looks good though.
Before entering commercial service, the Airbus A380 must satisfy some of the aviation industry's most demanding certification standards.
With certification complete, the aircraft is officially delivered to begin its operational life.
For passengers, years of engineering become an effortless journey.
Today, the Airbus A380 connects millions of people across the world through long-haul international travel. Every flight is supported by detailed inspections that keep the world's largest passenger aircraft operating safely.
Advanced inspection technology detects even the smallest signs of wear before they become problems.
The Airbus A380 stands as one of the greatest engineering achievements in aviation history, an aircraft that redefined what was possible.
Designed for long-haul efficiency, the Airbus A380 links continents through some of the busiest air corridors on Earth. Below the passenger decks, the A380 carries baggage and cargo with remarkable efficiency.
Every successful flight begins with meticulous planning by an experienced flight crew.
Whether by day or night, the A380 continues connecting people across continents.
Although aviation continues to evolve, the Airbus A380 remains a landmark achievement in modern aerospace engineering.
Every departure reflects years of design, manufacturing, testing, and teamwork.
The A380 was designed to transform long-distance travel into a quieter and more comfortable experience.
Every flight provides valuable information that helps improve safety, efficiency, and reliability.
The Airbus A380 remains one of the largest and most ambitious engineering projects ever completed.
The story of the A380 continues to inspire new generations of aerospace innovators.